Humans think we're the most advanced species on Earth. But what if I told you there are animals that can survive space, generate explosions hotter than the surface of the sun, freeze solid for months, and even rebuild their own brains? Compared to them, we're fragile. Here are the animals that make humans look weak. The tardigrade, also known as the water bear, is less than 1 millimeter long, but it might be the toughest creature on Earth. Humans die in space within seconds. Tardigrades? They've survived direct exposure to the vacuum of space. They can endure temperatures close to absolute zero and survive heat above 150 degrees Celsius. They can withstand radiation levels thousands of times higher than what would kill a human. How? When conditions become extreme, they dry themselves out and enter a state called cryptobiosis. Their metabolism drops to nearly zero. They curl into a tiny barrel shape and wait. Years, even decades. Then, when water returns, they wake up. Humans need air, water, pressure, and stability. Tardigrades need patience. The mantis shrimp doesn't look intimidating, but it throws the fastest punch in the animal kingdom. Its club-like appendage accelerates faster than a bullet. The strike is so powerful it creates a shockwave. The water around it briefly vaporizes. Tiny bubbles collapse and release a flash of light. For a split second, the temperature reaches thousands of degrees. That's comparable to the surface of the sun. Humans need technology to generate that kind of force. The mantis shrimp does it with a flick of its arm. Aquarium glass sometimes shatters from its strike. Imagine what that would do to a human hand. Weak. Show snowy forest, frozen frog. In winter, humans need heated shelters, layered clothing, and constant protection. The Arctic wood frog does something unbelievable. It freezes. Up to 65% of its body water turns to ice. Its heart stops. Its breathing stops. Its blood stops moving. For months. By all medical definitions, it's dead. But inside its cells, special sugars prevent ice crystals from destroying vital tissue. When spring arrives and temperatures rise, its heart starts beating again. It thaws. It hops away. Humans cannot survive full-body freezing. This frog can pause life itself. Now we move to something even stranger. The Planarian Worm. Cut it in half, and both halves survive. Cut it into pieces. Each piece can regenerate into a complete new worm, including a new brain. Humans cannot regrow lost limbs. We cannot regrow damaged spinal cords. We cannot rebuild our brains. This worm can. It possesses powerful stem cells called neoblasts. They transform into whatever the body needs. Muscle, skin, nerve tissue, brain cells. Some studies even suggest that after regenerating a new head, it relearns tasks faster than a completely new worm. It doesn't just heal, it rebuilds. The pistol shrimp is small, but it carries a weapon more powerful than it looks. When it snaps its oversized claw, it shoots a high-speed jet of water. The pressure is so intense it forms a cavitation bubble. When that bubble collapses, it releases a burst of heat reaching thousands of degrees Celsius. A flash of light appears. A shockwave follows. The sound can reach over 200 decibels underwater. Humans need advanced engineering to generate that kind of force. The pistol shrimp does it naturally. Tiny, but devastating. Space-resistant creatures, living explosions, frozen resurrection, brain regeneration. And these are just a few examples. Nature doesn't reward size. It rewards adaptation. Humans dominate with intelligence and tools, but strip those away, and we are vulnerable. These animals evolved solutions to problems we still struggle to solve. Radiation resistance, tissue regeneration, extreme survival. Instead of asking why they are so powerful, maybe we should ask what we can learn from them. The planet is filled with creatures that break the rules of biology, animals that survive the impossible, animals that bend the laws of physics, animals that make us question what strong really means. And we've only scratched the surface. If you want to discover more animals that make humans look weak, subscribe. Because in the wild, power doesn't always look human.